As I lay awake for hours, I watch the sunrise come over nothing. And outside the cars start racing, searching for something that we could never seem to find or afford. And maybe I owe the devil a little something just to keep things stable. 'Cause last night I realized I was nothing more than just a serpent for his plans. Chamberlain's waiting down at the bottom of the city of hell, or heaven itself is the whistle she sings. Minds building weapons for kings, while somebody's drinking my last ration of victory gin. I'm sober as sin as my hands start to shake. I fill with postmodern debates, while Chamberlain's waiting. Mistakes to the cloud.